Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E43 AMG. This one is a selenite gray. Underneath it's a 3-liter twin turbo, pushing out 396 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque. This one does have a diamond style grille in the front. Comes with the Premium 2 package, which comes with adaptive high beam assist, LEDs in the front and rear, the air balance package, and the light package. For wheels, we've got 20-inch AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging. AMG black Napa leather interior. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. AMG E43 badging. Power lift gate. Clean set of floor mats. And alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist. A dark wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats. The windows were just recently tinted. Hopping in. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for media display. Wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E43 AMG has 14,043 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E43 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.